And joining us now with more on the BQA program is Jesse Fulton, Associate Director of Producer Education for NCBA. Jesse, let's get started by talking about the overall importance of the Beef Quality Assurance Program.
So the Beef Quality Assurance Program is important not only to the producer because it can help them improve their bottom line by implementing the latest in cattle production practices, but it's also important to the ever-evolving beef consumer who still have concerns about how cattle are being raised. Through Beef Quality Assurance, this assures the consumer that cattle producers today are raising cattle in a safe, healthy, and wholesome manner.
Very good. And I know you've been working hard on developing a new set of materials that are actually electronically delivered. Can you tell us more about that?
Right. So our old BQA modules that were online were filled up with a lot of video and were not as engaging to participants. Mm-hmm. So now we went through those online modules, we revamped them and updated the material, and then we made it so that they're more engaging in hopes that participants that do them online get more out of the program.
And so how are you currently using those online modules?
So those online modules can be found at bqa.org and by clicking on Get Certified Today, and they will be prompted on screen to go through, get registered, and they can take begin courses in either cow-calf, stocker, or feed yard.
So for our viewers who may be interested in becoming BQA certified, how do they do it and what's the cost?
Getting BQA certified is very easy. First, we always strongly recommend that they get certified through an online or on-hand session. Mm-hmm. They can do this by contacting their state coordinators, which can be found at bqa.org, by checking the state requirements. And then we know that beef cattle producers live very busy lives, and if they cannot attend one of these events, they can do the online modules, and that is free 24/7.
That's totally free. Outstanding. So there are several great options. So beyond beef quality assurance training, I know the producer education team works on a number of other activities. Tell us a little bit about some of those, Jesse.
Right. So right now we're finishing up the 2016 National Beef Quality Audit, and those results and findings will be rolled out at the 2017 Cattle Industry Business Meeting in the summer. We're also working on our cattle transportation quality assurance modules, and those modules are for cattle haulers across the U.S. to become certified through BQA practices and principles. And finally, we're about to roll out our Stockmanship Stewardship Program, and that program, it will teach producers low-stress cattle handling techniques, and they can also become BQA certified on-site at those regional events.
Fantastic. You've got a full plate, it sounds like.
We sure do. We're working hard over there.
Thank you so much for coming today.
Thank you.
As Jesse mentioned, you can use the all-new interactive online classroom to begin your training to earn BQA certification. Visit bqa.org for all the details.